Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I am going to be making Millionaire shortbread. I have preheated my fan oven to 180 degrees. I do not need to grease my tin as I am using a silicone mould. First, I'm going to make my shortbread biscuit. In a bowl, I'm going to mix together my butter, sugar, flour, and mix it together until it becomes a dough. I am now going to press my dough in the base of my tray. Then I'm going to prick the bottom of my biscuit. And now bake in the oven for 20 minutes or until it goes golden brown. I am going to now make my caramel. I'm going to put my pan onto a low heat and add all my ingredients into my saucepan. So first will be the butter, light soft brown sugar, and my condensed milk. We are going to keep whisking until it has thickened. Now my caramel has thickened, I'm going to turn the heat off and leave it to a side to cool for a minute. I am now going to pour over my caramel. I'm now going to leave it to cool to room temperature. Once it has cooled to room temperature, I'm going to put it in the fridge for 2 hours so the caramel can set. I am now going to add my chocolate into the bowl and then melt it in the microwave. My chocolate has now melted. I'm going to leave it to stand to one side to cool down a little bit. Now my chocolate has cooled, I can pour it over the top. Now I'm going to place it in the fridge to set. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.